Composition Tables Example 1. Evaluate each expression. Notice how in Example 1a we have f of g of negative 2. We're going to start by looking at the innermost function. So the innermost function here is the g of negative 2. So that tells us where to start. So we go down here to the function g of negative 2. So we find negative 2. And g of negative 2 is 1. Now at this point, we have f of 1. Now notice that came from us realizing that we were going to have to start with g since that was on the inside. We went down to our table that had the g of x. We found negative 2, that was our x. And then we found the output from that, which was 1. And so that's how we got the 1 here. Now we are moving outward to the f of 1. So we can go to that table now. We find 1, that's our input, and then we find the output f of 1, which is 4. So our final answer here, f of g of negative 2, is 4. Now let's take a look at f of g of 2. So remember, we start with the table on the bottom since our innermost function is g. We find x when it's 2. When x is 2, its g of x is 4. So what we're really looking for here is f of 4. Now we can move to the top table. And in the top table, we see that we are working with 4. And then f of 4 gives us an output of 9. And that's our answer for that one. Now with C, we're going to flip it. So instead of starting with the bottom table, we're going to start with the top table because as you can see here, our innermost function is an f. So we can look at the top table, which is our f of x table, and we start with f of 1, and that output is 4. So we're looking for g of 4, and now is the time to go to the bottom table where we find 4, and our output is 14. And that's our final answer there. And then the last function is going to work very similar. So we see in the function here that we have g of f of 0. Our innermost function is f of 0, so we can start here. Our output of 0 is 0. So what we're really looking for here is g of 0. And then that brings us to the bottom table. We have 0 with an output of 9. So our final answer here is 9. Once again, always remember to start with the innermost function. If you start with the innermost function and work your way out, then you'll be fine.